Top of the top, y'all, it's your boy Real Estate Show tapping in again. And in this video, I'm going to do a quick step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up your EIN for your newly established LLC, all right? If you just set up an LLC, congratulations. I wish you much success in your new business venture. Hopefully you learned how to set up your LLC watching my video, how to set up an LLC in Texas, but you can still use this same step-by-step even if you did not establish your LLC in Texas, because the EIN is nationwide and you have to use the IRS website to do this. All right. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. This is going to be a straight and direct video. I'm not trying to sell y'all anything, and the process takes literally a couple of minutes. So this video should not be long. Let's go. All right, y'all. So the first thing we can do is just simply go to Google and type in EIN. And the first thing that pops up should be the IRS website, all right? Sometimes you'll get other websites that are sponsored that are trying to help you set up an EIN. These people might charge you or whatever else, but you want to make sure you go directly to irs.gov to set up your EIN, all right? Don't go to any other third-party websites, irs.gov. All right, then you scroll down, apply for an EIN. Begin application. And then right here, you just choose your legal structure. And I'm actually doing this in real time because I just established a new LLC for a new business venture that I am taking part in. All right. So for me, I am setting up a LLC, limited liability company. You have chosen limited liability company, what it is. So they just explained to you what an LLC is. I already know that. So I'm going to press continue. How many members are in your LLC? For me, there are 2 members in this LLC, and my business is located in Texas. Continue. You are in a community property state. Tell us more about the 2-member limited liability company. Are the members husband and wife? No, this business is not with my wife. So please confirm your selection. Due to the number of members in your LLC, you are considered a multi-member limited liability company. All right. I know that. I understand that. So if I didn't want to be listed as a multi-member LLC, I could fill out these forms, but it's not necessary. So why is the LLC requesting an EIN? Well, I just started a new business. So if you already had an LLC but didn't have an EIN, but you hired employees, you're going to need it. If you want to open a bank account, you're going to need it. Change the type of your organization. So there's a number of reasons you may need an EIN if you didn't get one when you first started your business. But for me, we just started a new business. All right. So please tell us about the responsible party of the LLC. That is going to be myself. And I am a senior. And you are going to type in your social security number here if you are the responsible party for the LLC, all right? You have to use your physical social security. So I am one of the owners or members or the managing member of this LLC. Street address, I'm going to use my business address. Okay, phone number. Do you have an address different from the above where you want your mail to be sent? No, I do not. Legal name of the LLC. So you want to put this exactly as you put it on your formation documents. Do not have a DBA. I'm going to put Texas here because the state and territory where my articles of organization will be filed will be Texas. The LLC start date be today. I literally just filed for this LLC. So I'm going to put November. It doesn't ask for a specific date. Then it's going to ask just a couple of questions. Does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more? No, we don't. Does your business involve gambling or wagering? No, it does not. Does your business need to file Form 720 quarterly federal excise tax return? No, we do not. If you don't know what that is, just click on this underlined portion right here and it'll go into detail so you can answer that question based on what your LLC is doing, right? Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? No, we do not. Do you have or do you expect to have any employees who will receive Forms W-2 in the next 12 months? No, I do not. We will not be hiring employees for this business. This is for new construction real estate, so we will have contractors, but not actual W-2 employees. What does your business or organization do? All right, so I'm in real estate, so I'm going to select real estate, but there are a lot of other options for you guys. You have chosen real estate. Please choose one of the following. I use capital to build property. All right, so that's what we're doing here. You have chosen real estate, use capital to build property. Do you focus on a single construction trade like concrete, framing, glass, roofing, siding, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and flooring? No, I do not. I do not focus on one specific trade. You have chosen real estate. You are not focusing on a single construction trade. Please specify your primary business activity in construction. Well, I construct new residential properties, homes, condos, and townhomes. So that's it. How would you like to receive your EIN confirmation letter? Receive it online. When I push receive online, they're going to send this to me immediately as opposed to waiting 4 weeks for it to be delivered. I need this ASAP so I can go ahead and open a bank account and start this build. Then hit continue. Then it just wants you to verify your information here. Everything looks good on my end. So I'm going to hit submit. And then boom, there you have it. They have already assigned my EIN number immediately, guys. So there y'all have it. That is how you set up your EIN for your LLC. Hopefully this video helped y'all out, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have more questions, or if you have a suggestion for another video you'd like to see me do in regards to setting up a business or anything regarding entrepreneurship, y'all. It's your boy Real Estate Show. And until the next time, tap in.